In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the difference between an HD lace and a Swiss lace. Hi guys, Linda Ezemedolu here. Welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda Ezemedolu. I know I rarely pronounce my full name. That's my name and my surname in my videos, but I decided to start doing that because I saw someone react to one of my videos and I noticed that she couldn't pronounce my surname. From today onwards, I'm always going to pronounce my surname in my videos so you guys learn how to pronounce my surname. So my name is Linda Ezemedolu. You guys have been hearing about this lace type that melts into the skin well and looks the most natural. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what an HD lace looks like, and we're also going to compare the HD lace to the Swiss lace. If you want to hear all of what I have to say about these two types of laces, please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. So guys, this lace right here is the HD lace, and most times when you see the HD lace, you tend to find out that the up part of that's the beginning of the lace, tends to have this jagged, rough look to it. And you can see how transparent this lace looks, and it's very light, it's very flat, it's really light and very flat. And you can see how the knots where the hair was tied looks like. You can just see how this lace looks, and honestly, looking at the hair from the lace right here, like it's almost as if the hair is holding on to nothing, because the fabric of this HD lace is very thin. And of course, let me show you what the HD lace looks like when I apply it to my skin. So this is the HD lace here on my skin. I hope you guys can see what it looks like. This is the look I have when I put the HD lace directly on my skin. I haven't bleached a lot of disclosure right here. So guys, this right here is a Swiss lace. I want to put this Swiss lace on my hand so you guys get to see how the Swiss lace melts into my skin. So you can see the Swiss lace right here. It doesn't really melt into my skin well because you can see a difference between the Swiss lace and my skin. It's obvious that there's something here. It's obvious that there's something here. Unlike when I put the HD lace against my skin, the HD lace will definitely give me a more natural look. You can see the HD lace actually melts better into my skin than the Swiss lace. I hope you guys are catching what I'm trying to show you. The HD lace melts better into my skin than the Swiss lace does. So one thing I just want you guys to know is the HD lace will give you a more natural look than the Swiss lace could. And of course, the HD lace is more expensive than the Swiss lace. The Swiss lace closure right here costs about, let's say, $35 for this 12-inch. This HD lace right here is going to cost somewhere around $70 to $80 for this 14-inch length of this Swiss lace material. So obviously the HD lace is more expensive. And one thing I also want you guys to know is the downside of the HD lace is that the HD lace doesn't last very long, because you could only use this HD lace for a period of, let's say, 8 months to 1 year with very good care. Like, the lace is very delicate. It's not something you want to be dragging around because it's very delicate. It can easily get torn and ripped apart. You want to be very careful when you're working with a HD lace. This lace is more durable. It's not something that can get torn easily. So this is something you can have for a very long time. You can literally use a Swiss lace for over 5 years. They tend to make HD lace like this more for stage shows, for movies. That's the reason why they invented the HD lace, like a royal lace type. It used to be called a Swiss lace, but now it's just known as a HD lace, which is more like it's the best lace in the market. Actually, this is the best lace type in the market, but take note, it's very delicate, so you need to be very careful when you're working with a HD lace. So guys, I hope I've mentioned all of the differences between these two lace types. Of course, the HD lace will give you a more natural look, but the Swiss lace is more durable. That's just the difference between the two of them. And if you're going to use a wig that is a HD lace, you need to be ready to change your lace at least every 1 year. You need to be able to have that money to replace your lace. So if at all when you're buying your wig, if you can buy an extra lace when you're ordering that wig, so that in case the lace gets spoiled, you already have a replacement closure or frontal that you can use to replace your damaged lace. Yeah, so that wraps it up for me for this video. If you got value out of this, please make sure you smash the like button. Share this video with your friends are also going to get value out of it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. I don't know why they kept on taking the lights while I was filming this video. Like, I don't know what is going on in Nigeria. Okay, guys, I'm filming my video from Lagos, Nigeria. And honestly, in the past 1 week has not been funny. We've had like a whole 1 week of not having lights. Like my body is itching me. Whenever they just bring the light, I just hurry up and I put on my AC. There's scarcity of food. There's just so much that's been going on. Normally I would like to be putting out more videos, but because of the issues that are currently I'm having to deal with right now, it's just been harder for me. So I'm gonna have to find a way to just keep on filming videos. If it means putting on my generator and you guys having to deal with a little bit of generator background noise, I think that's just what I'll have to do, because I don't want a situation whereby I just keep on being unproductive just because I'm not seeing light to film my videos. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on social media at Linda Ezemidolu. Ezemidolu, that's my surname. I'm pronouncing it so you guys learn how to pronounce it. Linda Ezemidolu. One of my business pages is ENL Beauty for makeup and ENL Beauty hair for hair extensions. And very soon I'm going to be starting hair wholesale. So if you're interested in starting your hair business, or you just want to be able to get hairs from me at a wholesale price, you can send me a message. I'm going to put a link in the description box that you can use to reach me on WhatsApp, so I could add you to the wholesale group. So the moment we commence selling hair wholesale, you get to know and I share with you all of the packages that we have there. Possibly I might make a video on YouTube and just share like what the wholesale package is like. So if you're interested in that, you could hop into the wholesale group. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.